How to block in Telegram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Telegram. And once you do that, you need to go to the profile of the person that you want to block. So let's go ahead and do that. For example, I will block this person right here. Click on their profile. And once you're here, you need to click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. And from the pop-up list, click on Block User. A window will appear that asks you, are you sure you want to block this person? Click Block User in red to confirm. And as you can see, the user has been blocked. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can block people in Telegram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.